If you've ever accidentally deleted an event and need to find it again, this video will show you exactly how to view Google Calendar trash in just a few seconds. It's a super quick process, but it's really useful when you want to restore something important or check what was removed from your calendar. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Calendar and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the main calendar page, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is the settings menu, and it's where Google keeps a lot of the extra options you may need. Click that gear icon to open the drop-down menu. From there, you'll see an option called Trash. Click Trash, and Google Calendar will open the trash section where deleted events are stored. This is where you can review items that were removed from your calendar before they're permanently gone. If you're trying to recover something, you can look through the deleted events and confirm it's there. And that's it. Once you click Trash, you've successfully found the Google Calendar trash. It really is that simple. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick step-by-step guides just like this one.